Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a hilarious and controversial comparison for you. On the left side, we have the Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP22050, and on the right side, we have the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR. Let's dive right into it and see which product comes out on top. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP22050 comes in at a whopping $0. Yeah, you heard that right, $0. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges will cost you around $32. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade includes 2 replaceable blades that can last up to 8 months. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges need to be replaced every 2 months. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade fits all OneBlade handles and can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Meanwhile, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges provide optimal hygiene and maintain your shaver's performance. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges come with a lemon-fresh formula that releases a refreshing scent for a fresher shaving experience. On the other hand, the Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade doesn't come with any fancy scents. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade fits all OneBlade handles, including QP2520, QP2530, QP6510, and QP6520. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges work with any clean and charge unit. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP22050 is highly recommended for its effortless precision, long-lasting durability, versatility, easy installation, and a gentle and comfortable grooming experience. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges are praised for their optimal hygiene, performance maintenance, and refreshing scent. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP22050 and the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR. Both products have their pros and cons, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which product you prefer. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Stay tuned for more hilarious and controversial comparisons. Until next time, happy shopping!